How to fix camera not working on TikTok in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open TikTok and then click on this plus icon. Allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone. Now click on open settings and here you can turn on your camera access. After that, turn on it, your camera will enable. Now go back and open system settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and click on TikTok. Now here you can offload your TikTok app. After offload it, then reinstall app. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.